Door dings are small dents that, while minor, can detract from a vehicle's appearance, lower its resale value, and expose it to potential rust and corrosion if left unaddressed. Addressing these imperfections promptly can restore your car's aesthetics and protect its value. DIY repair methods. 1. Plunger technique, using a small suction cup plunger to pull out shallow dents. 2. Hairdryer and compressed air, heating the dent with a hairdryer followed by rapid cooling with compressed air to reshape the metal. 3. Dent repair kits. Affordable kits available online or at stores can effectively remove minor dents with proper use. DIY methods are cost-effective, but may not achieve professional-level results, especially for severe dents. Professional repair options. 1. Paintless Dent Repair PDR reshapes metal without repainting, preserving the car's finish. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and ideal for minor dents. 2. Traditional dent repair. For significant damage, this process involves sanding, filling, and repainting, ensuring seamless restoration, but at a higher cost. Prevention tips. Park in low-traffic areas or next to newer vehicles. Use door guards for added protection. Open doors cautiously in tight spaces. When deciding on a repair method, consider the damage's severity, your budget, and your skill level. Combining the right repair approach with preventative measures ensures your car retains its pristine condition and long-term value. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.